What's up, everybody? So today we got the spacers for the Supra in. Thanks to Forge Projects for getting these out to me very quickly. Appreciate it. If you guys need any car parts, go to forgeprojects.com. Highly recommend them. But aside from that, guys, let me just go ahead and show you guys what the Supra is looking like at the moment. I did a couple of things over the last couple of days. I painted the wheels black and I put the lowering springs by eibach, so they came out really dope. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and installed the lowering springs by eibach. I really like how they're sitting at the moment right now. It's been, I would say, like 2-3 days. Really waiting for them just to adjust properly before I go get my alignment. But they are looking clean. And as you guys can see from the side, so the wheel itself, I'm gonna have it pop out probably up to here. I didn't go too aggressive, but overall it's gonna give it a really nice look. So I did 15 all around, and the kit that I went with is factionfab. So as you guys can see, the quality is really nice. Nice finish on them, painted black, factionfab on the sides. And they went ahead and included the longer bolts as well. Because as you guys know, on the Supra, they use bolts, not lug nuts. So let's go ahead and install them. All right, as you guys can see, now it pops out a little bit more, enough to kind of get it flush with the actual side of the car. Keep in mind, I still gotta get the alignment done on the vehicle, because I think at the moment it has a little too much camber, but it's looking nice. All right, let me know what you guys think about it. I like it. I think it makes the car look more aggressive. Definitely sets it apart. It's a very affordable upgrade that you could do on your vehicle. Super simple to do. Anybody can do this, and it just definitely gives out a more aggressive stance on the vehicle. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. As always, guys, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, so you can follow my build. And check out all my other videography videos that I be posting on my channel. Thanks again, guys. Peace.